Hello, a very warm welcome to my kitchen. It is so lovely to have you here with me today. We are bringing an old cake recipe to life, simple and utterly delicious. Perfect for a cozy afternoon with a cup of tea. The steps are easy, and I will guide you through each one. Tell me, where are you watching from? It's always a joy to see how far our love of baking travels. If you enjoy simple bakes, please like the video and subscribe so you never miss a recipe. This cake has a soft, moist crumb with a beautiful jam swirl. No tricky techniques, just honest baking and a fantastic result every time. Make yourself comfortable. Let's roll up our sleeves and begin. First, gather and pre-measure your ingredients. Mise en place. 3 eggs, 180 grams of sugar, about 1 cup, a pinch of salt, a little vanilla, 130 milliliters of light vegetable oil, 150 grams of plain yogurt, 270 grams of all-purpose flour, 15 grams of baking powder, 1 tablespoon. We will add the flour in 2 parts. Use a 26 centimeter baking dish. For the swirl, 100 grams of yogurt, about 5 tablespoons. Strawberry jam is my choice today. A little icing sugar for dusting. Please tell me where you watch my videos from. It's so interesting for me. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. Grease your 26 centimeter dish and line the base with parchment. Set out a large mixing bowl and a whisk. Add 3 eggs and 180 grams of sugar. Add a pinch of salt and a little vanilla. Whisk until pale, thick, and creamy. With the mixer on low, stream in 130 milliliters of oil. Fold in 150 grams of plain yogurt until smooth. Sift in half the flour and half the baking powder. Fold gently. Do not overmix. Sift in the remaining flour and baking powder. Fold just until smooth and creamy. Pour the batter into the prepared dish. Level the top for an even bake. Well done. Your creamy mixture looks perfect. In a small bowl, mix strawberry jam with 100 grams of yogurt. Dollop over the surface and gently swirl just in the top third. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake on the middle rack for 40 to 45 minutes. Bake until risen, golden, and pulling slightly from the sides. A toothpick should come out clean. Avoid jam pockets when testing. If wet batter clings, give it a few more minutes. Remove carefully. It's hot. Cool in the tin for about 10 minutes. Loosen the edge, invert, peel the parchment, then flip to show the swirls. Let the cake cool completely before dusting or slicing. Slicing warm can cause crumbs. Patience pays off. Do you like my cake recipe? Leave me a comment. Dust with icing sugar. The simplest, most elegant finish. Cut a generous slice and admire that swirl. See the soft, tender crumb. Serve with tea, or coffee if you prefer. Add thick cream, a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or plain yogurt. There's nothing better than that first bite. Thank you for baking with me today. Please like and subscribe for more simple, delicious bakes. Tell me where you watch from, and if you'll try this cake at home.